Ooh, slick, slick. Ooh. I don't know what's better, the dancing or that outfit you got on. Back up, I can't see.
No dishes, huh?
Woohoo! Oh, serious now. Oh, no kidding.
And what is your deal now, dude? You just like finish a bottle of water, throw it under your notebook?
That was when I was sick a couple weeks ago.
Bottles and snot bags under there.
Ooh. If you clean up every once in a while.
I clean my side up.
Now he's got him a partner. Now that just looks like you're beating up the fish. That ain't no kind of dancing I ever seen. Oh, there it goes. That's some fast feet. All right.